Hi everyone, we're here with Dami.
And Lawrence Elliott at the Kiss the Monkeys event in Hollywood, California. Thank you so much for joining us.
And we are so thrilled to be here.
It's really exciting that we have to come together and celebrate fashion. And shout out to your company, which is
We are here with, my company is Be Inspired, and I am here to inspire a lot of people at LAClubpictures.com. And we want to invite you guys to be you. And, I just want to know that you have a greatness in you. Do you agree?
I do. And thank you so much for celebrating it. You guys have a great night.
What do you do today?
Oh, I walked in the Perry Jones fashion show.
So, thank you very much, Dami.
I can cut that out. But I actually like the dummy part because, like, I call myself that all the time. hey, check it out. Check it out. Check it out, LA Club Pics. I call myself dummy all the time. So she's all good.
Do me.
She's all good.
Please
Don't worry.
forgive me. Please don't-
I love you. I love you. I love you. Thank you.
She's a little intoxicated and it's very embarrassing.
Thank you.